Hi guys, welcome. I will do another test with DiRT Rally options, and yeah, the sound will be okay since I have now the right headphone on my head, right? Too much gear lying around. So display 2920, 1080, play. Let's see if also the frames per second are on here, because it was working on Tomb Raider, but I don't know if this one includes it. Don't think so. I think we would have seen it already. So, whatever. Yeah, resume is fine. And then current position 5 kilometers plus 101. There is snow in Östra Hündchen, Sweden, Värmland. Okay, that guy looks not normal. Enter, start stage. Oh, that's an ugly guy. This is not real, is it? Lego blocks. Preferences, audio graphics. Let's go for ultra low. Yeah, duh. I'm gonna go for ultra. Ah, that's a better guy. That was rubbish. It really was rubbish. Okay, ultra. Okay, fine. Let's game. Much better. Continue, I guess. Oh yeah, my headset is working. There am I going? Yes. Ah, nice graphics. Nice graphics. This me like, or me like this, or like me this. And up, rear. Oh, the sound is much better. Maybe I should brake from sometimes, right? I never seem to have the knack to brake. Let's try to stay on the road. He's all saying things in my head. My ears. Something about 40. He's giving me directions what I should do. And does Eric listen to directions? Ah, no. Eric never listens to directions. He wants to make his own mistakes. Whoa, to the right. Ah. Okay. There's a jump, he says. Well, I was just playing Tomb Raider before this, and again, of course, I was stuck hanging on a cliff, wondering what should I do after dying for 15 times. Finally decided to, I think, C, let go and jump. So the avalanche would not kick me down. But it's so frustrating, right? If you get stuck somewhere and then you wonder what's the next logical step, and your brain says, I don't know. Woo, that's nice. Where am I? Okay. So racing is no brainer, right? Left, right, straight forward, and brake, Eric, brake. This I can still solve. Difference, split. Come on, stay on the road. Go on the road for the first time. Yeah. What's this? Let's say hello. Hi guys. The figures are nice, huh? They're not Lego blocks. Or these Minecraft guys. Ooh, the other way. Gosh. Whoopla. All right. I think this is enough to show you that although this is not the newest of machines, right, it's still okay. It's still okay, and that's the point. Showing off that Linux can actually play these things. There we are, stuck again. How to get out? Ah, found my quit button. So, technical guys, this is the GeForce GTX 970. Could we Google this? How old is this thing? Not that one, that one. Age or something, build time, build date, nothing. So GeForce GTX 970 build date or something. Not sure. This is 970 GTX launch. 6 more rows it says. 970, 970, September 2014. Is it that old already? I thought it was more recent. I better go down on my cellar to see if I have a GeForce card that's more recent, because this is 7 years old. Alright, anyway, I'm out. Have fun, play around, install stuff, use Steam, don't use Steam, it's all good, but it works. Cheers.